Hi Momenters, thanks for watching another Moments by Booth video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Akeem Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and this is your one-stop shop for all things Jamaican real estate. Today, we'll be looking at 3 fixer-upper homes located in the parish of St. Anne under 15 million Jamaican dollars. Yes, I said under 15 million Jamaican dollars, but enough of the chattings, I'm not ready for the video. Una ready? Run me intro. Alright, so this particular property, the first one of 5, is a 2-bed 1-bath that hasn't been completed yet, but with your help, as it is a fixer upper, you'll complete it and it can become an additional income earner for you based on how the house is situated and how it is designed. So this particular property is going for 12 million Jamaican dollars, and as you can see right here, this is showing the other currencies, so you can look at that for yourselves. If you're in another country, you have US, Canadian, pounds, and euros that are right there. All right, so let's look at some of the pictures that are available to us here. So that's the outline of the property. So you can see a yard, and it's sitting on a 1/4 acres of land. That's a yard space. That's a back view of the house. If at any time you want to look at these pictures in more in depth, you can always pause the video, but I don't want this video to be too long, so that's why I'm kind of just skipping through the pictures. All right, so moving into the description, complete this 2-bed 1-bath house on 1/4 acre level land and make it into your dream home. This property has 2 entrances on separate streets, which bring to light the many potential to convert this property into an additional income earner. There is an underground man-made water tank built under the kitchen area. This property is located approximately 15 minutes from both Runaway Bay and Discovery Bay, and less than 5 minutes from the town center of Brownstown. So the lot size is 10,890 square feet. It doesn't have any flooring at the moment, and the site influences are easy access. It has a lot of acreage, family oriented, paved roads, quiet area, and a level lot. Comment down below, guys, and tell me what you think of this particular offering. Do you think that it is overpriced? Do you think that it is underpriced? What do you see yourself doing with the 1/4 acres of land? Would you make some more additions to the property, or would you utilize that land to plant fruit trees or start a little garden, so on and so forth? Comment down below and let me know how you would reimagine this space to make it into your own dream home or dream income earner property. So property number 2 is still located in St. Anne, and this is going for 14 million JMD. Again, the other currencies are right here, you can check them out. Now, this is another fixer-upper. It's an incomplete home, but it is located in a very nice area. So let's look through some of the pictures so you can see. And as you can see, it is ocean facing, so you do get nice blue hues from the ocean, as you can see right here. But it is incomplete, so you would have to finish it. Here are the building designs that are there already, and that's the plot. Alright, so an incomplete single-story building with an ocean view in the Bel Air Phase 3 Runaway Bay area. Ideal multifamily home priced to sell in close proximity to domestic, recreational, commercial amenities. Building plan available upon request. So the lot size is 6,703 square feet. Family oriented, ocean view. I think this might just be a little gem for somebody. Maybe not at 14 million, but you know, it's priced to sell, so you can probably put in an offer for less and probably walk away with it. Who knows? You never know until you try. This real estate thing is all about negotiating. All right, but I like the area based on what I'm seeing. I'm a sucker for ocean views, so having that ocean view right there is something that speaks near and dear to me. And it's currently a single story building, but you can go to the municipality and have a plan done up for a 2 or a 3-story building. Who knows? That would really encompass and encapsulate the beauty of that view that is available to you. So that's another option that you can be looking at for this particular property. But comment down below again and let me know what you guys think of this fixer upper. Is it something that you see yourself investing in, or it is a hard pass for you? So this is a 3-bed, 3-bathroom home, conveniently for the third property that we're looking at, and it is going for an asking price of 14,500,000. If you're from another country, here are the international conversions: US, Canadian, British pounds, and euros. So let's look at this property. So as I mentioned, it is incomplete and it is a fixer upper, so you would have to do some additional work, but the main structure is there already based on what I'm seeing. What I would advise for any of these incomplete homes is that you have a architect come and look at it, and also a construction engineer or a structural engineer at that. So on whole, this incomplete home or house in Lime Hall, St. Anne, North Coast is a great opportunity for a savvy investor or for a large family that wants to live close but not crowded. This is plenty space for your backyard garden plus a swimming pool. Although partially incomplete, the major structural work is already done, and this allows the new owner to select the exact finishes they desire. Grab hold of this deal while the getting's good. Alright, so that's what they have on offer for you as it pertains to property number 3. I like the top part of it. I like that the roofing is already done and a lot of the work is actually completed. But I would say if you're looking to invest in this, talk to a structural engineer, talk to an architect, and get the full information as to what can be done with this as is, for yourself. So you have 10,644 square feet worth of land, which is good, and they're building a 3-bath, 3-bed, easy access, low maintenance yard, pets allowed, family oriented, quiet area, hillside, paved roads, built-in kitchen. I don't know what type of built-in kitchen based on the fact that it's incomplete, and main level entry, which it does have. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section below if this is a yay or a nay for you. Just bear in mind that these homes that I'm showing today, or these houses, are fixer uppers. They're not the finished article, so you would have to go in and do additional work. But comment down below and let me know what you think about house number 3.